Wow, Alibaba's up over 5%. Basically, Alibaba's train left without me. I should be up this year on Alibaba, but instead I'm down big. And that's all because of call options. I have really bad luck with calls. You can see I've been buying calls almost every single week. And the only weeks that I did not buy calls was the last 3 weeks. And that was because I lost 40K April 19th when all my options expired worthless. I had 75 strike calls, 80 strike calls, and 90 strike calls. The stock's at 84. And since then, it's pretty much traumatizing. And since then, I have not bought a single call. And guess what? The stock rallied. Of course it would. It only rallies when you have nothing else, when you lost it all. That's when it rallies. They have earnings tomorrow. And should have known that it was just going to rally right up to earnings, just like every single earnings report in the past. Back in November, the stock went, let's see, you can see here, it was trading November 14th, it was trading at, it closed at $82. The next day, November 15th, went to a high of $87. And the reported earnings, November 16th, went to a low of $78. And then, same thing happened. You can see here. February 5th was 2 days before earnings, went to a high of $75. And then, day before earnings, went to a high of $78. And then, earnings report, a sold off to a low of $73, continued to go down. And then since then, it's just been trading sideways. So the question is it going to sell off again tomorrow? It's been rallying for a pretty good 3 weeks now. Yeah, I can't believe it. If I have just bought calls again in the last 3 weeks, I probably would have made at least maybe 20% of my losses just from Alibaba alone. But nope, I don't know how I'm going to make that money back because it's quite a bit. Earnings is tomorrow. Let me know, guys. Do you think we're going to sell off again tomorrow? It says Alibaba shares have been on a broad consolidation move since bottoming in late October 2022. The company is still reeling from the impact of regulatory clampdowns and lackluster domestic economic growth. As the Jack Ma founded company prepares to release its fourth quarter results Tuesday before the market open, here's a look at how the company is positioned for the near and medium term. From a peak market cap of $858 billion in late October 2022, Alibaba's valuation has plummeted. As of Friday's close, its market cap was $194.79 billion. The decline began when the Chinese government initiated a crackdown on mega cap companies, citing concerns that the significant growth granted them monopolistic power. That should have been a sign to not get in and just to stay out. But nope, I just kept going in, and thinking that, hey, Alibaba might be different. But no, it's not about fundamentals. That's why it's trading at $84, while US tech stocks are at all time highs. It's all about political risk. Let's take a look at these options. Whew, 13,000 volume traded for the 85 strike. Wow, these options definitely went up. They were a low of 180, but you can see the IV is, let's see, the IV is at 79%. It is inflated. They're expecting a plus or minus 5 points, almost 6 points tomorrow. I mean, I'm not in it, and I hope that people that made money on Alibaba in the last 3 weeks to take your profits because you never know what's going to happen tomorrow, especially when you have calls. The IV will go down. You need a huge move to the upside or a huge move to the downside to make money if you have calls or puts. Let me know, guys. Ugh, I mean, I'm a little disgusted, honestly. I mean, I'm glad that people are making money because I know a lot of people are bag holding this. I just feel disgusted for myself that I missed out on this huge run in 3 weeks from $67 to right now $84.90. I just can't believe it. Why did it happen to me? Why did I have to lose all my money for it to go up. Why do I have the worst luck? Anyway, thanks for watching.